my name's Jenny and I'm doing a review of the Marc Jacobs the tote bag. This is in their size medium and it's the canvas one. Now I was going from this size to the mini, but I wanted something that would fit my iPad and my laptop, just because we're supposed to go to the East Coast soon and I wanted more of like something that's like a travel bag. So right now I do have it packed with pouches, and then I will show you how I'll pack it with an insert I got from Amazon, which I'm a little iffy about. So definitely that zipper, I love how smooth it is. I did want to figure out if this was waterproofed or water resistant, just because, you know, we're going to the snow and it's been raining a lot, so I kind of want to at least protect it a little bit more. So as you can see, that's how I have it packed right now with pouches, like I said. I do love the fact that you can open it wide, hence that's the reason why this one is there, just because you can tuck it in when it's closed, but when you open it, it opens wide. So this is my MacBook Air. This is, I think, the 11 inches, and my iPad is about the same size. And then I have my Jujube pouch that I customized, and this normally has like stuff for my kids, so you can see their hair ties. There's a little med pouch in there, and there's a little measuring tape when I need it, and this is where I also put some snacks. And then I have my LV Kirigami. This is the medium set. So this is just a little thing of like Motrin, my little brush, and my AirPods. And then my sunglasses. And then here is a UV pouch from Target I got a few years ago. My kids were using this for like their little coloring books, but they don't really use it anymore, so I took it and I put my Nintendo Switch in there, which fits perfectly. Okay, and then in the back pocket, which is, I don't want to say detachable, but it's like definitely one that you can move in and out of the bag. The two pockets right here, I only have my wallet that fits perfectly, and then I don't have anything else in the other pockets. So on the site, on the description, it just says cotton canvas, and it feels pretty sturdy. On the inside, it does feel like there is more of a protection on it, like kind of plasticky. On the outside, it doesn't feel like there's really any like extra stuff that they put on. So let's see how this goes. Got a little bit of water. Yeah. Well, kind of went down, but then you can see that little spot right there where the water did absorb. So I think I'm gonna spray it with a some kind of weather protection. Okay, so this one, I bought this insert from Amazon. This is removable, which I like, just because whether or not I need more room or I want more pockets, just take this little middle section out. Now when I buy my inserts, I obviously go with something that is similar to the size, but just like maybe not even like an inch smaller than the dimensions. Now, so that actually went in perfectly. So as you can see, it gives it more of a more organization, more pockets, obviously. Let me try packing it without my pouches that I have. So wallet, I'll probably put in the same spot, just because I like knowing that it's in a more secure area in case, you know, people try to pickpocket. They really have to know where my wallet is. And then my sunglasses, I don't know, I just put it on the side here like that. And then my Nintendo Switch, I might just put right here. And out of my Kirigami pouch, I'll take out everything that's in there. So, brush, And then that can go in there. There's still a lot more room in that little pocket, so I could probably put more stuff in it. So out of my jujube pouch, I'm gonna put my eyeglass cleaner probably right there, and then, you know, extra hair ties for my daughters, just because especially my youngest will randomly want her hair up. And then and then my med pouch. My med pouch, I will put in the front right here. I mean, this is not one I really reach for, but I like to have it in my bag. And then my random measuring tape. I go in that middle right there. And then the only thing left is my laptop, which I will probably put right here. So that actually fit pretty nicely, and as you can see, it definitely gives it more organization. And obviously I still have more pockets, but I wonder, I'll take the middle part out, and that gives it a little bit more. And I can actually put other stuff in the other pocket, because there's a bunch of pockets in this little insert. And that's the bag with the insert, which honestly I think I like better. It does add a little bit more weight to it, but then again, this is the canvas one, so it's already pretty lightweight. It just depends on how you like to pack. Okay. It definitely helps with the structure of the bag. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.